Vitaly Laletin and Devon Larratt have both expressed their opinions about the upcoming Levan Saginashvili versus Hermes Gasparini rematch. So let's first discuss that. Vitaly said, I honestly feel that Hermes is not 100% ready for the Levan fight now, and I think his form is worse now than what it was when he took on me. So usually people who lose to someone like to see that guy win in the future. They want that arm wrestler to destroy everyone else so that they can feel good about themselves, that they didn't lose to a nobody, they actually lost to a pretty good arm wrestler. But this stuff where Vitaly is saying that Hermes kind of peaked against him and now he's not that strong, this is taking the same stuff to a whole nother level. I don't think it is true, especially when Hermes is saying himself that he's the strongest now that he has ever been. But then when Vitaly gets confronted about this, he says, it's just my opinion, it could be wrong. I'm just saying what I personally think. Then after that, you couldn't really question it anymore. And that's why, as we already know, Vitaly has said that this Hermes versus Levan rematch is going to be kind of a mismatch. Levan is going to win 4-0 with all flash pins. Unlike the last time, there will be no stoppage this time. Levan will win easier than the last time. Ali was saying that first Hermes himself said that he would like to wait for a little bit. He would let Vitaly face Levan first and then he will go for his world title match. But then maybe after defeating Michael Todd 3-0, he felt good power and then he convinced Engin that he is ready for the Levan match, and he also convinced Engin that him versus Levan is better than the Vitaly versus Levan super match. But obviously Vitaly doesn't agree with that. I think Vitaly does have more offensive power than Hermes, but Hermes has way more defensive power, and I don't really think that it is possible to be offensive against Levan. He puts everyone on the defensive, except for maybe that first round against Devon in the rematch. Other than that, Levan always attacks and everyone has to defend. And that doesn't look good for Vitaly Laletin. Devon Larratt said, I believe that to beat Levan is incredible. There are so many of us who are approaching closer. Levan is somewhere we don't really know. Hermes has a great shot. Hermes has been there. He is gonna be a tough match for Levan. I still think Levan will win. So Devon is also predicting Levan to win this match 4-0. Maybe not all flash pins like Vitaly is saying, but he definitely thinks that Levan is the clear favorite in this match. And all of these three arm wrestlers do have some experience arm wrestling against Levan. So all of their opinions should have a lot of weight behind them. Vitaly was also talking about his own potential match against Levan Saginashvili. He said obviously Levan has progressed a lot, but my progression since the 2018 match is more than Levan Saginashvili. That's what he truly believes, and I would say that not many arm wrestling fans would disagree with that. Vitaly has gained a lot of size since then, maybe about 25 kilos. I know Levan may have also gained about 20 kilos since then, but going from 170 to 190 may not be giving you the same results as going from 125 to 150, especially when you are 6'8". Vitaly said that since the Hermes match, he has improved a lot in the gym. Maybe not in terms of his max lifts, but the weights which he was lifting for about 10 reps before, now he can easily lift the same weights for about 20 reps. He has stopped lifting heavy because of his wrist problems. When asked about his ideal body weight, how massive he would like to be for the Levan Saginashvili rematch, he said 150 kg should do the job. After that, he wouldn't really feel too confident. It would be a lot of water weight and a lot of fat. He doesn't like that. He would like to be early morning without food, without much clothes, 150 kg if that is possible.